Crash Course. The enigmatic Nazca Lines, Peru's ancient geoglyphs. The Nazca Lines, etched into the arid desert plains of southern Peru, are one of the world's most captivating mysteries. These enormous geoglyphs, created by the Nazca civilization between 500 BCE and 500 CE, have fascinated archaeologists, historians, and adventurers for centuries. Join us on a journey to uncover the secrets of the Nazca Lines, as we delve into their intriguing history, speculate about their purpose, and explore the top 12 enigmatic figures that grace the desert floor. The Nazca Lines consist of over 800 straight lines, geometric shapes, and animal and plant figures etched into the desert surface. Ranging in size from simple designs to massive creatures stretching hundreds of feet, these geoglyphs can only be truly appreciated from above. The precision and scale of these ancient works of art are truly astounding, considering they were created without the aid of modern technology. One theory regarding the purpose of the Nazca Lines is that they served as a ceremonial space for the Nazca people. The lines may have been used as pathways for processions, with the figures representing deities or ancestral spirits. The designs are aligned with the positions of the sun, moon, and stars, suggesting an astronomical significance. The Nazca people, deeply connected to the natural world, may have viewed the lines as a way to communicate with the celestial realm. Another theory proposes that the Nazca Lines were created as a form of communication, visible to gods or extraterrestrial beings in the sky. The size and complexity of the geoglyphs would have made them highly visible from above, leading some to speculate that they were meant to attract divine attention or convey important messages. The Nazca Lines are home to a vast array of figures, each with its own unique characteristics and cultural significance. Here are the top 12 Nazca Lines that offer a glimpse into the rich culture and history of Peru. 1. The hummingbird, colibri. 2. The spider, araña. 3. The monkey, mono. 4. The condor, condor. 5. The astronaut, astronauta. 6. The dog, perro. 7. The tree, arbol. 8. The hands, manos. 9. The whale, ballena. 10. The heron, garcia. 11. The lizard, lagarto. 12. The parrot, papagayo. Each figure is intricately designed, showcasing the skill and artistic flair of the Nazca people. The hummingbird, with its graceful wings outstretched, symbolizes fertility and the abundance of nature. The spider, known for its weaving skills, represents creativity and craftsmanship. The astronaut, a unique figure, sparks curiosity and speculation about the ancient civilization's fascination with space and the unknown. Visiting the Nazca Lines today is an awe-inspiring experience. Viewing platforms and small aircraft provide visitors with the opportunity to observe these magnificent geoglyphs from above, gaining a new perspective on their scale and intricacy. As you soar through the sky, marveling at the lines and figures that stretch across the desert, a sense of wonder and mystery envelops you. The Nazca Lines continue to puzzle and intrigue, inviting endless exploration and speculation. They are a testament to the ingenuity and artistic prowess of the ancient Nazca civilization, leaving an indelible mark on the cultural landscape of Peru. Poem. In the desert's golden expanse, a secret lies. Etched into the earth, ancient lines arise. Figures and shapes, a mysterious design. Nazca's enigma, a puzzle undefined. The hummingbird hovers, a symbol of grace, while the spider weaves, with skill and pace. The astronaut gazes to the stars above, a celestial connection, a message of love. High above the desert, on a winged flight, unveiling the Nazca Lines, a breathtaking sight. Ancient mysteries unravel, as we soar and roam, captivated by the geoglyphs, etched in stone. Song. Verse 1. In Peru's desert plain, a story untold. The Nazca Lines, mysteries unfold. Figures in the sand, shapes in grand design. A testament to a culture, divine. Chorus. Oh, the Nazca Lines, a wonder to behold. Carved by ancient hands, a tale of old. From hummingbirds to spiders, and figures unknown. They whisper secrets, from a time long gone. Verse 2. In the desert's embrace, these lines unfold. A message to the gods, a story untold. Were they paths for processions, or signs in the sky? Bridge. As we gaze from above, the lines come alive. A symphony of shapes, where legends survive. The astronaut beckons, to realms unknown. A cosmic connection, a truth yet to be shown. Chorus. Oh, the Nazca Lines, a wonder to behold. Carved by ancient hands, a tale of old. From hummingbirds to spiders, and figures unknown. They whisper secrets, from a time long gone. Outro. The Nazca Lines endure, a mystery profound. A testament to the past, on sacred ground. With each passing year, more wonders revealed. As the ancient secrets, are slowly unsealed. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html aid equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.